Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove tree sap from your vehicle. Okay, you can see that BMW is extremely bad. That's the one that we got from Comuter. It was hit in the front. It sat somewhere for a long time. Okay, let me focus here. You can check guys the tree sap on it. Okay, I'll try to focus in a second. We cleaned that portion already. Okay, here how smooth it is now. Now here the next one. Okay, all that is tree sap. So let me just focus a little bit and you will see it yourself. Okay, you can see this is tree sap right here. What we are going to do now guys, okay, that tree sap, we're going to put tape. We'll do half of the spoiler and show you the difference later. So first step we'll be using Mother's California Gold clay bar kit. Okay, check it out guys, you'll be listed in the description of the video all the materials we use. Comes with 2 clay bars. We'll be using 1 clay bar and the detailing spray, and it comes with a microfiber towel, everything you need. So get one of the clay bars, get the instant detailer spray. Okay, spray the area that you'll be working. We recommend using doing half of a panel usually. The spoiler you can do the whole thing because it's not too big, and you need to go only forward, backwards or left to right. Never ever go in circles because it doesn't work that way. It doesn't clean as good. So you can see that was a washed BMW guys, washed white paint. You can see all the nasty stuff coming off of it. Now we're going to switch the clay bar. Okay, check out all the contamination here. So we're going to fold it, get a clean side and keep doing that until it's smooth and we don't have any tree sap on the vehicle. But we are not done with that. We need to do 3 more steps guys, 3 more steps and you're going to make your paint like brand new again and protect it from even future tree sap because it will not stick to it. After that we'll get a microfiber towel, okay, clean it, okay, and I'm trying to focus here. You can see that we do not have tree sap at all. Okay, right here on the roof, okay, check it out here, we have the tree sap. Okay, here we do not. Next step, we'll be using a 3M rubbing compound. Okay, we will apply a thin layer right here on the whole spoiler. And after that, we're going to go ahead and buff it. We recommend using gloves when you use the compounds. We'll be using a rubbing compound pad by 3M. Okay, at 1900 RPMs, we'll go ahead and buff it now. So after that we're going to go ahead and do 1 more layer. Okay, because it's always good to do 2 layers of the rubbing compound. Okay, you're going to notice how much better it will look soon. Okay, again, thin layer. Do that out of the sunshine, never ever do it in the sunshine. You can see that's why we're on the shady part of the yard now, so we can actually avoid direct sunlight. So you can see we're done with that pad. Next I'm going to go ahead and replace it, okay, with a polishing pad right here. Okay, almost, let's try one more time to get it on. Okay, perfect. After that, let's go ahead, get the next compound that we need, and this one is, you can see 3M one-step cleaner wax. This one is amazing. You will get the light scratches out of the paint. The rubbing compound will get the heavy duty, like medium scratches, most likely like medium duty scratches. This one is light scratches oxidation, and it cleans the paint really good. And we have one more step after that, so stay with us. So you can see, super smooth. Last step guys, deep crystal Maguire's Carnauba wax. This one is amazing. It will give that deep shine, crystal clear shine. It will protect the paint, and it's so smooth, so waxed at the end that new 3-sap will not stick to the paint, so it will be super easy to wash away as well. You can see this one smells like bananas as well. So after that, clean microfiber towel. Okay, let's make sure that we don't have any greasy spots, because that Carnauba wax will be pretty greasy. So let's go ahead, pull the tape now. Okay, and let's see the difference guys. Okay, let's see what we are talking about right here. Okay, you can see that's a 3-sap, this is no 3-sap. Check out the quality of the paint now. Okay, listen now. Listen on this side. It is unbelievable difference. You can see how crystal clear the image is, the reflection doesn't have any scratches in the paint anymore, and this one here, how bad it is. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching, give a thumb up, subscribe, and see you next time.